I am Albert Palaman, first year college, BHM Auto Auto. I'm going to explaining and discuss and what I learned about the communication applying the transitional words and preposition. Preposition words. Prepositional words is like kinda helping to establish a relationship between in a sentence and addressing the topic to their audience and giving the specific or most commonly using words such as, in, at, on, and other more specific words or sentence that giving the information and and clarifying their specific topic such a specific topic are commonly used to applying on your audience or the other speaker. And this subject is this subject, what I learned is preposition is giving the giving to how to addressing your sentence to your audience in your in your in your in our conversational. And let's talk about the transitional words. Transitional words is a making sentence or paragraph and writings to use the creating the ideas like story to give and clarifying text and giving the specific topic such as addition, contrast, and comparison and cause and effects. Furthermore, and etc. Giving the examples like making an essay or stories or the other text that express the audience or listeners to providing the more information and providing the more convenience and relevant topic and clearly to address your explanation and the listeners. Like for example, I'm going to discuss my topic is about climate change. Climate change is I'm going to make gather all data and information that to clearly and easy understanding the the my easy to understanding my explanation and information that giving to to the addressing and to impress the audience and listeners to my presentation that I like I said this essay like I said for example essay like essay is like for example I'm making essay is introduction, furthermore additional and moreover that this is specific that giving ideas or information that providing for providing the specific topic and specific. That's all. Thank you.